what can you say about your game? That was very close game, very tight. You guys won by 1, 12-11.
Yeah, sasabi ko lang talagang nahirapan kami. Talagang kailangan namin ng hangin. Yung mga kampi ko, alam mo naman, may edad na. Pero talagang lumaban kami, lumaban.
How was the height difference? Did it cause you guys to have an issue or was it okay?
Mahirap talaga pag wala kang big man o halos pantay-pantay lang yung height namin eh. Kaya talagang dina namin sa bilis. Tapos ngayon nga, uli, pumasok. Awa ng Diyos. Yan.
Now I know that you got some older guys in your team. How does that affect you moving forward towards the championship?
Siguro, ganun nga, kung makakalaban namin malalaki, medyo daanin namin sa bilis kahit wala na masyadong hangin. Ayun.
He was here today. What would be the one thing you would say to him?
Hey Jeff, pare, nasaan ka man ngayon, pare? Gabayan mo kami, mga naiwan mo, lalo-lalo na yung mga pamilya mo. Lalo-lalo na si Telma, pare. Gabayan mo siya. Ayun lang, pare.
All right, well, thanks so much for coming live, man. We'll see you on the road.